Hey guys, I hope that you're doing well. My name is Selim Shaimi, and for an entire year, I'm doing one YouTube video per day related to SMMA, to business, to negotiations, to sales, alright? Just about everything in order for you to start and grow your own social media marketing agency. So, in this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about some books that helped me in growing my social media marketing agency, and I really believe that those books can also help you to grow and also start your own agency, all right? But before to start this video, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. All right, I'm doing one video per day. It will be a lot of work, so make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. If you have any question, you can go follow me on Instagram, and every Friday I'm doing a poll on my story, and you can ask me whatever questions that you have. All right, just like ask the question on Instagram. I will answer you, and I will also make a video for you guys, like just one video per person basically, answering your question. And this video will help a lot of beginners that are starting and that want to grow also their own agency. All right. So the first book that I recommend you to read is Principles. All right, Principles by Ray Dalio. And this book is really, really important when you're starting an agency, because when you're starting, you need to be thinking in terms of principles, in terms of systems and processes. So you need to be a system thinker, all right? When you want to start any business, an agency particularly, you need to be thinking in terms of a whole, all right? For example, I see a lot of agency owners. Their problem is that they start by focusing only on Facebook ads, but they don't see the whole. They don't see that an agency is actually a lot of processes, a lot of systems. There are sales, there are Facebook ads. You need a process for Facebook ads. You need an onboarding process, how to get paid, how to generate meetings, how to generate clients, how to generate results. So you need to be thinking in terms of systems. You just need to be thinking in terms of systems and processes. And this book is amazing. Principles by Ray Dalio is amazing because the guy tells you everything that he's using in his own company. I think it's called Bridgewater, something like this. And he's telling you just absolutely all his systems and all his processes. It's amazing, and not only for business but also for life. So always remember that everything is connected. So whatever you are doing in your life will reflect in your business. Whatever you are doing in your business will reflect in your life. So it's very important to take your life seriously. Actually, not only don't just focus on your business. Focus on all aspects of your life. It's very important. The second book is Never Split the Difference. So, the full title, guys, is Never Split the Difference, Negotiating as if your life depended on it. So just when you have a book like this, I mean, when I picked it, I was like, oh shit, this is a crazy book. This will be a crazy book. I'm sure about it. And yeah, it's a crazy book. I'm about to finish it actually. And this book is amazing because it has been written by Christopher Voss. And who is Christopher Voss? It's an ex-FBI agent that is negotiating with terrorists, basically. And he tells you everything about negotiations. And this is crazy. And you know what the best in this book is that Christopher tells you how to use empathy, all right? Because when you are dealing with terrorists, how you want to do? You can't tell them an ultimatum. You can tell them, for example, hey, if you don't do it, we are going to kill you, for example. But he used empathy. He understands their word and he influenced them by understanding them. All right. So amazing book, guys. Starting an agency is only about sales, about processes, and about negotiating. Like, I see a lot of agency owners that are failing because they don't know how to sell. I will make a video about it, talking this in more details, but you need to know how to sell. You need to know how to close deals. You need to know how to negotiate. And this year, I will be extremely focused on learning everything I can about negotiations because, and in this book, he tells you, he teach you how to not, how to never split the difference, how to not cut your prices. And this is very important to keep your margin as a business owner. Then we have the baseline setting, one of my favorite books on sales, because again, It's a very, very, very simple process related to selling, and it's just 4 steps. You know, when most books have a sales process of 18 steps, this is madness. But this book, I love it because Dave Kernan, the guy who wrote it, did a very simple sales process in order for you to get the clients and to close them. And it's very, very simple, like 4 steps. So I really, really recommend you that you read this book. And how it works is it works as baseball. So in baseball, you have, I don't know how, I don't know the rules exactly, but you have 4 steps. So it's basically a book taking baseball as an analogy for sales, and it's an amazing book, so read it. Then we have also a classic, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. So this book, I mean, this is, if you are in entrepreneurship, into entrepreneurship, and you didn't read this book, just like stop this video, go on Amazon, buy it, because this is an amazing book, and it will help you with your relations with people, actually. So you will know, again, it's about empathy. Like, this is crazy, but for negotiations, for this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, it's all about empathy. It's all about, classic techniques, the name, how to deal with people. Like, again, you need to learn how to deal with people. That's why so much agency owners are struggling, because it's all about people. It's all about sales, all right? If somebody like you, if you have 2 deals, all right, if you're, how to say it, if your potential client has 2 deals and he likes you more than the other one, just because he likes you, just because you built a relationship, you can get the deal, right? And finally, the last book is Shoe Dogs. So Shoe Dogs is a story, the biography of the founder of Nike, and this book is mind-blowing, guys. Just read it, because seriously, you can trust me, this book is absolutely amazing. This is the biography of the founder of Nike, and seriously, the story is just amazing, and he tells you how to not give up, how to keep going, and again, you can't fail if you don't quit. So I think it's really important that you read that one, all right? So I hope that you like this video. Again, 5 books that I think can help you in your marketing journey and can help you start and grow your agency. But now, if you want to start and grow your own social media marketing agency, I've done a 1-hour free training, and you can find the link in the description. So it's 1 hour when I cover everything that you need in order to start and grow your own social media marketing agency. So take care, guys, and I will see you in another video.